Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can perform the hard reset of your JBL Endurance Race earbuds. So first of all, you have to be connected with your JBL headphones application and then select your earbuds from the list. Next, to perform the reset, you have to scroll at the bottom and go to the support. Right now, select Reset to Factory Setting and click Reset. Right now, just be patient and wait a little bit. Do not put your earbuds into this charging case right now. We have to wait for like 10 seconds. You can also take a look for the indicators. When they are not blinking, when they are not activated, it means that the reset is complete. So right now we can put back our left and also the right earbud. Close the case and then open it. Right now take them out of this charging case and take a look for all the left and the right earbud. As you can see, they already blinking on the blue, so it means that they are in the pairing mode. They are also synchronized, and take a look. Right now when I try to go to the Bluetooth settings and select the previously connection, I will get the new pairing request. So it means that we successfully performed the hard reset. And as you can see, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.